Hey there, language lovers. Welcome to English Talknest. I'm Cindy. Today, I have a simple question for you. Can you describe your room in English? Not with complicated words, just simple, clear English that anyone can understand. If you're a beginner learner, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe any room confidently using easy vocabulary and simple sentences. Let's get started. First, let me show you a complete room description at the beginner level. Listen carefully. My room is small but comfortable. It has white walls and a brown wooden floor. There is a bed next to the window. My bed has a blue blanket. On the left side, there is a desk with my laptop and some books. I have a chair in front of the desk. Above the desk, there is a shelf with photos of my family. The room has one big window with white curtains. I like my room because it is quiet and sunny in the morning. Perfect. See, it's simple, clear, and complete. Now let's learn exactly how to create descriptions like this. The first secret to describing your room is using descriptive adjectives. These are words that tell us what something looks like or feels like. From our description, we used small, comfortable, white, brown, wooden, blue, big, quiet, sunny. Learning tip: always pair colors with objects. Say, I have a blue blanket, or I have blue curtains. Practice with me. I have a red pillow. My room is clean and bright. The walls are yellow. Now let's learn the essential words for rooms: furniture, bed, desk, chair, shelf, closet. Nightstand means small table next to bed. Room features: wall, floor, window, door, ceiling, curtains. Common objects: lamp, blanket, pillow, rug, mirror, picture/photo. Learning tip: walk around your room right now and name each object in English. Say it out loud. This is my desk. This is my chair. Coming up next, we're diving into there is and there are, the essential structure you must know to describe any space naturally. Use there is for one thing, singular. There is a bed next to the window. There is a lamp on the desk. There is a mirror on the wall. Use there are for multiple things, plural. There are books on the shelf. There are 2 chairs in my room. There are many photos on the wall. Native speakers use this all the time. It sounds more natural than always saying, my room has. Next, prepositions of place. These small words are super important. They tell us where things are. Next to. The bed is next to the window. My phone is next to my laptop. On. The lamp is on the desk. The rug is on the floor. In. My clothes are in the closet. The books are in the shelf. In front of. The chair is in front of the desk. Behind. The door is behind the bed. Above. The shelf is above the desk. Below. And under. The rug is under the desk. Between. The nightstand is between the bed and the wall. Let's practice by describing where objects are right now. Point and say, my cup is on the table. My bag is next to the door. Next up, if you want your description to sound more interesting and natural, add your feelings and your reasons. Try this structure. I like, I love, I enjoy my room because. For example, I like my room because it is quiet. I love my room because it is colorful. I enjoy my room because it is comfortable. You can also use, I don't like my room because it is too small. I want to change my room because it is dark. This simple word because gives your description personality. You're not just describing, you're sharing your feelings. Now let's create a room description step by step. Step 1. Start with general description. My room is adjective and adjective. Example, my room is small and cozy. Step 2. Describe the walls and floor. It has color walls and a color floor. Example, it has blue walls and a gray floor. Step 3. Describe your main furniture using there is are. There is a furniture next to and front of near location. Example, there is a bed next to the window. Step 4. Add details to each piece of furniture. My furniture has object. Example, my bed has a green blanket and 2 pillows. Step 5. Continue with other furniture. On the left/right side, there is a furniture. Example, on the right side, there is a desk with my computer. Step 6. Add your personal feeling. I like my room because reason. Example, I like my room because it is peaceful and bright. Before we finish, here are some quick tips to sound more natural. 1. Use and to connect ideas. My room is small and comfortable. I have a desk and a chair. 2. Vary your sentences. Don't start every sentence the same way. Mix. My room has, there is, I have, on the left. 3. Keep it simple. Short sentences are good. Don't worry about complex grammar yet. 4. Practice daily. Describe your room out loud every morning. Describe other rooms, kitchen, bathroom, living room. Describe your friend's room or your classroom. Learning tip. Record yourself describing your room. Listen to it. Then try again tomorrow. You'll improve every day. Congratulations! You've just learned how to describe your room in English at the beginner level. Today you learned basic adjectives for description, essential room vocabulary, there is and there are structure, prepositions of place, next to, on, in, above, how to express reasons with because, and how to build complete room descriptions step by step. Now here's your homework. Describe your room in the comments below. Use the vocabulary and structures we learned today. I'll read every single comment and give you feedback. And remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just try. Making mistakes is part of learning. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to take your English to the next level, I have great news. You can continue to the next episode for the intermediate level, where we dive deeper into room descriptions with more expressive vocabulary, richer storytelling techniques, and more advanced grammar. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to English Talknest for more practical English lessons, and hit the notification bell so you never miss new content. Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. I'm Cindy, this is English Talknest, and I'll see you in the next lesson.